oh, do da day, la, do da, la.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Terrence Trucker, of course, in this loud old freaking truck rumbling, exhaust booming, that you can't hear me very good. You know what it is. Anyway, I got unloaded this morning here in Richmond, Virginia. Got offered 2 loads. One going to Michigan, but paying okay, but not the best. But it didn't unload until 2 p.m. tomorrow, which, okay, if you get there and you unload, and they said there was no chance of earlier unload. So you look at that and you're like, but okay, if you get in at 2, they don't get you either until between 3 and 4. Now trying to get a reload that day, you're pretty much hosed. If you can find a reload that loads after that, in the same town, that is, otherwise it's just going to be that much later, you're stuck driving all through the flipping night, and stopping at dark 30. Then you're basically on a night shift cycle. Then for every day for the rest of the week, you've got to unload later in that freaking afternoon and then reload late in the afternoon if you can find a load every freaking day. Or you end up missing a day and then have to restart back on day shift. So then option number 2 was a beer load out of Anheuser-Busch, right there at Busch Gardens in Williamsburg, Virginia, going to Tuscaloosa, Alabama. But that one paid okay. That one actually didn't pay bad. Well, like $1.90 something to the truck. But you're at freaking, freaking $44.5. Beer. Everybody that knows beer loads are heavy and they don't want to pay good. That one, had an earlier unload time, but you're heavy. You're going across the Virginia scales. I'm already full of fuel because I filled up Saturday when I got to the TA in Richmond. So there's that to contend with. But I said, can you check and see if there's anything else? Let me just hold off for a little bit. I said, yeah, if you don't mind, to see if you can find something else. So she found me a loading only 5.3 miles away from where I unloaded at here in Richmond, which was cool. And it's actually going to Kansas City, Missouri. So Brian, I'm headed right back out there towards you, brother. I'll deliver that Wednesday morning in Kansas City. Actually pays pretty decent. And it's like a 2-day run. So that's good. Now, with that there being said, luckily, I tell everybody, look at Google Maps, look at reviews. So I looked up the place where I'm unloading at. The reviews are not good at all. The reviews suck. Everybody talks trash. They say it's absolutely, got like a 2.3 stars. Everybody says it's a, as Trump said, it's an S-hole. I said that half people don't speak English there. It's dirty. They make you sit inside while they load your truck. It says it smells. But I'm taking paper plates there, and this is an interplant move from their facility here in Richmond to their facility in Kansas. So all the reviews are actually unloading people who are loading. I didn't remember seeing the first review from somebody who actually loaded. All the reviews were from people from people loading, not from anybody who was unloading. There we go. Let's get it right. So I think I may be okay. Since it's their product, they may want to hurry up and get it off, so they may need that product to reload someone else. So I think I'm going to be better off with mine. So, and someone says they open up, my thing says 7 o'clock. People say, hey, you need to get there about 6. Go ahead and get in line, be first in line. So that's kind of cool. Somebody said that you can sleep there. Undoubtedly, you can sleep there because 2 of the drivers, one guy said he got there at 6. There were already 2 trucks there. He said, but undoubtedly they must have stayed there overnight because 7 o'clock, he got put in the door ahead of him because them 2 trucks never checked in. So, like he said, undoubtedly you can park there overnight and sleep. So that's cool. But that's the only review I saw where somebody actually mentioned that you could sleep there overnight. So that's why I say always look at the Google reviews, get you an idea, look at the routes going in, routes going out, look at satellite image so you know exactly what kind of setup you're looking at the place. Read the reviews to see what people have to say. People may tell you, okay, well, yeah, if you're doing shipping is on this side of the building coming in off this road. Well, if you're delivering, then you need to come in from this side of the road at this other entrance. That's why I tell you, check the Google reviews out. I'm looking over here at the river. They got a walkway that goes all the way across the river here in Richmond. Looks pretty cool. So always look at the reviews on this stuff. It give you some really vital information, which is what I just did while I was loading. So hey, always do that. I still tell everybody, hey, work smarter, not harder. I mean, we have the technology. Make it work for you. Make it work for you. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get on out of here. I'm running through basically downtown Richmond to get back to the interstate from where I loaded at. It was tight getting here, see some of these streets. I'm running through downtown, but this is the way you had to go to get here, so it's the way I got to go to get out. So luckily I'm only 1 mile away from the interstate, so hopefully I can get there without any problems. So anyway, y'all, we'll holler at y'all later. We hope y'all having a good, safe, blessed day, and we will holler at y'all on the next segment. Peace out.
Girl, get in position. Girl, get in position. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but girl, get in position.
Woo, what's up? This trip is continuing on with Thor upset and mad at me because I stopped here at the TA. Of course, I stopped at the TA here in Oak Grove. No, not Oak Grove yet. I am stopping at the TA in Oak Grove later on because I'm getting 2 fuels today so I can get credits. But I stopped here at the TA in Forestdale, Missouri, here on I-70, just outside St. Louis. And I got my fuel, and I backed up into a reserve parking spot here. And of course, you see the parking lot where it's marked off right here because they're redoing the asphalt. Well, you know, I'll get fuel and I go to circle around. I hang a U-turn here to back in here. Then there's a guy who's pissed off at me trying to hang the U-turn behind me to go back out this way, which is actually an entrance only coming in this way. You go out this way. And he wants to look at me like I'm some kind of freaking alien because I'm hanging a U-turn and then I'm sitting right there to back in and he's sitting back here behind me. It's like, dude. And then he goes past me and gives me the eat shit look. I'm like, dude, you're hanging a U-turn to go out a way you're not supposed to be going out, and you're looking at me like I'm crazy. Flashers are on from the time I pulled out of my parking spot, creeping at like 4 miles an hour to creep around here to back in, and then he looks at me like I'm stupid. Yeah, But my main purpose for backing or coming into here and parking is for this right here, y'all. Popeyes. Yep. What can I say? Man, that looks so good and it's nice. What can I say? I love chicken. I mean, you know, went to Walmart. What'd I do? I get chicken. At Popeyes there in Virginia, in Richmond this weekend, Sunday. What did I do? I got chicken. So, when I shut down yesterday, I pulled the Walmart chicken out my fridge and I had chicken last night. What am I eating today? Chicken and fries. I love chicken. Sorry, I'm gonna say I love chicken. But this is what I do, y'all. Can't help it. I'm hungry. Anyway, y'all, we're gonna get on out of here. We're gonna get on down the road. We're gonna get moving. Try to put my fries down until I get going. Then I'll bring the food back out. Man, I'll tell you, that is banging. I ain't gonna lie to you. That is freaking banging. But Yeah, anyway, let's get moving, y'all. What's that? Just like that, I'm here at the customer. I stopped over and asked these guys over here. Let's see. We have a picnic thing over here where everybody's at taking them a break, I guess. So I pulled up here, stopped, asked them. I said, "Hey, you know, I was told I could park here overnight, so you know, where I'll be out of the way." Like, well, I seen guys park down there at the way. So, sweet, I appreciate it. So I come on down here, I'm here. All I gotta do is check in at 7 o'clock in the morning and bam, I'm in the dock, and then bam, I'm good to go, y'all. But I'm here. This is what you do. You park at a customer. Now I don't have to start my freaking log in the morning until after I get, you know what I mean? Because I'm right here. I'm backed up at the building here. Holla! That is what I say. Work smarter, not harder, y'all. Terrestrial Trucker, out.
This.